How to improve video quality on your phone. In this video, I'll show you the best 3 mobile video enhancer apps that can instantly upgrade your video quality, from blurry to crystal clear. Now, let's dive right in. The first one is CapCut. Open the app and tap New Project. Import your original video, then select the clip on the timeline. Next, tap Video Quality. Choose Enhance Quality and select the model that best fits your needs. Wait a moment and just like that, your video is enhanced and looks much clearer. Next, we have Winkit. This app uses AI-powered upscaling to restore details and reduce blur. Simply upload your video, choose the enhancement mode, and wait for the AI magic to finish. Finally, the VikPea app. This one's a powerhouse. It offers multiple AI enhancement models for portraits, animation, and even AI-generated videos. Plus, it supports 4K export, giving your videos a professional look. Just open the app, tap AI Enhancer, select the scene you want to enhance, click Try Now, upload your video, and tap Process Now. After a short wait, your enhanced video is ready, sharp, detailed, and stunning. And that's our quick comparison of the top 3 mobile video enhancers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.